And welcome to a new video. We are here in Centinela Forest in Guadalajara. Um, we're here to know about his history, the activities you can do like run, walk with your friends, make a picnic. So we're going to explore about it. We're going to know about his trees, his animals, all the things it have. So we're going to be like an exploration with our friends, my team and I. And I hope you like this video and enjoy it.
The Centinela Forest is a reforested reserve in the 17 years. Don Suño Hernandez donated 150 hectares of the earth.
This place suffered severe environmental damage due to the population that's using its wood for food in an excessive way. With the donation of Suño Hernandez, this forest began to be reforested. The vegetation in the Centinela forest is made up of a large number of trees, including eucalyptus, casuarinas, pine, white cedar, and ash.
It's a forest very similar to a natural forest since there are small hills, ravines, and flat parts. As trees have been planted, it has the characteristics of a recreational park, where there are stone paths or deer trails where the family can enjoy a Sunday stroll. The trees that have been planted are common pine or casuarina, eucalyptus, ash, among others. Some bushes, grass, some oak, mesquite, etc., and lady maguey or agave are being planted around the forest. Moles, squirrels, rabbits, rats, lizards, bears of various types and colors, dogs. In special pens they have deer.
This is the fun track.
It's a fun area for biking where they even have classes.
This is what remains of the lake.
It was a large accumulation of water that has been greatly reduced by the season.
This is the viewpoint.
It's located on a high point, so it offers a beautiful view. Eating areas distributed in a different places. There are wooden tables and seats to be able to eat right there and have a good time.
Well, among main activities that can be carried out in the forest are, I don't know, hiking or exercise, have picnics, or games with your friends to enjoy and have some fun. For me, a part of being accessible, it has wonderful landscapes.
In conclusion, we only covered a small part of the forest. It's an excellent place to jog or walk with friends, but remember to take an umbrella and a bottle of water with you, as well as leave garbage free during your walk. We consider that the best season to go is in the rainy seasons, since the forest is more alive, although it may become a bit dangerous to the soaked hair. This forest is a quiet area. You can do as many activities as you want and have a good time.
At this time, the forest is dry, without grass, and there is a lot of loose soil. And it's uncomfortable for those who go on a picnic when it's windy and the soil rises. The place has organic garbage such as tree leaves and tree bark, but on Sundays, after the families leave, they leave their garbage such as bags, cans, and bottles. The only dam is almost dry and looks like a puddle. The government authorized the cutting of a section of the forest because a residential subdivision is being built, which is not to the liking of the visitors to the site. My request is not little, take care of the trees and plant them where they are most needed.
The forest has a large extension of land, and this video only represents a small part of it. If you have the opportunity, we recommend you to take a look and draw your own conclusions. It's all for our part. This was our project. We hope you like it, and thank you very much for your attention.